When your team is expanding, it's crucial to handle HR tasks efficiently. With the right scalable HR tools, you can manage everything from recruitment to performance tracking, payroll, and benefits, all without getting bogged down by manual processes. In this video, I'll show you how to handle team expansions seamlessly using scalable HR tools. And stick around till the end, because I'll share a free trial of the software we'll be using today, exclusive to viewers of my channel. As your team grows, the complexity of managing HR tasks increases. What worked when you had 5 employees can quickly become inefficient when you're managing 50 or even 100. That's where scalable HR tools come in. They allow you to automate and streamline essential HR processes while keeping everything organized in one platform. Let's start with recruitment. As your team expands, you'll need a reliable way to track applicants, schedule interviews, and evaluate candidates. Scalable HR tools provide a centralized recruitment system where you can post job openings, receive applications, and manage your hiring pipeline. With automated workflows, the hiring process becomes faster and more efficient. Once your new hires are on board, you'll want a smooth onboarding process. With scalable HR software, you can automate document management, training schedules, and employee introductions. Everything is streamlined, making it easier to integrate new team members quickly and effectively. As your team continues to grow, keeping track of performance becomes more important than ever. Scalable HR tools offer performance management features, including goal setting, performance reviews, and feedback loops. This helps ensure that all employees are aligned with your company's goals and gives managers the tools they need to track progress and offer support. Payroll and benefits management can be a nightmare as your team expands. The right HR tool will allow you to automate payroll calculations, deductions, and tax filing. Benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off can also be managed efficiently in one place, reducing the risk of errors and saving you time. Don't forget about compliance. As you grow, staying compliant with local, state, and federal labor laws can become overwhelming. Scalable HR tools often come with built-in compliance tracking, ensuring that you're meeting legal requirements without needing to manually track changes in regulations. Now, before I wrap up, I want to remind you to check out the exclusive free trial of the software we're using today, linked in the description below. This is an excellent opportunity to follow along with everything I've mentioned and see how scalable HR tools can improve your processes. So, what's the key takeaway here? Handling team expansions with scalable HR tools is all about automating repetitive tasks, keeping your processes organized, and ensuring compliance. From recruitment to performance tracking, payroll, and benefits, these tools can save you time and make scaling your team much easier. To recap: 1. Automate recruitment and track applicants easily. 2. Streamline onboarding for new hires. 3. Use performance management features to keep employees aligned with your goals. 4. Simplify payroll and benefits management. 5. Stay compliant with built-in compliance tracking. Remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software in the description below and start scaling your HR processes today. Thanks for watching.